All right, family, how we doing out there today? Just give you a little heads up here. We are in Sudan, Texas, back at my buddy's place. Mr. Cutlass Vibes himself. We're gonna come back over here to work on his square body we were working on the last time that we shot a video. We actually have a rear bumper that we'll be putting on today. We're gonna be doing some cleaning on the inside of it, the seats, the inside interior, and then see if we can get a hood latch on that truck, and then also go ahead and see if we can get the dash cluster and everything put into that truck. But guys, that truck is running. We finally made it back to his place with that truck, so it's here at his shop now, not at his buddy's shop. So it is home. It's been a while since it's been here, but it is here. But this is my buddy here, Mr. Rosendo.
I'm excited for today, and I appreciate hearing these guys driving a whole hour to come help me. I appreciate the help. It also motivates me, and don't have my little one here today, which is our project. He's helped to help, but he's not here today. But we're ready to go. Let's have a good day.
All right, guys. We're gonna continue the video, show you what we're doing. Like I said in my videos, we're not mechanics, but we love doing these things, right? And then as far as me, I love going out and helping people out, get these old vehicles back on the road, because I know a lot of y'all out there like me just can't stand to see those electric cars. Nothing against those electric cars, but we got to keep old school alive. So let's keep on trucking, guys, and even in the cars, and let's see what we can do, man. Thank y'all. All right, we just ran that cable through here. I'm actually putting the screws on right now so that it doesn't move from us. And my buddy's actually installing it on the other side there to make sure that we're good, kind of routing it around so it's not in the way. This cable's a little bit longer, but I do believe we'll make it work. It should fit just right. Working on that little grommet, get that little grommet in the firewall. And we are there. We should be good. All right. Moment of truth, brother. You ready?
Moment of truth. Ready?
Right, let's go. There we go. There we go.
There we go. It's working. Look at that.
Nice.
So now
nice.
we can close the hood and unlatch it, the next thing.
That's right. Little bit of fabricating, guys, but we got it going. It's going good. We are ready to go. So next step, probably gonna be the back bumper. So let's go ahead and get started on that bumper. We're about to get this bumper put on here. It's a little bit different than the original bumper that goes on here, but we're gonna go ahead and throw it on. It should fit. We're gonna go ahead and brace it down and see what it looks like.
All right, ready?
Yep.
Let me see. Okay, go.
I just can't see it
because
from
it
here.
needs más para arriba, but it's hitting the truck.
It's hitting the truck already, huh?
Yep.
Because it's crooked.
That piece of sword is hitting. That part is hitting. If it was this way, we still had some play.
Yeah, because it's hitting right there. All right, we got that bumper on there. Came out really good, guys. We even straightened it up. So it came out really good. So one piece at a time, we got this truck coming back together. I know my buddy over here is excited.
Oh, I'm excited.
So looks like bumper's on. We got the hood hatch on already. So I think we're gonna go ahead and tackle the interior. See what we can get going on that interior, and then give you a look on what that's gonna look like after we're done. Get back with you. All right, guys. So we just got done doing those other little things that we were talking about there. So we're gonna go ahead and focus on replacing those visors there. They're all burned up, falling apart.
Check this out.
So, yeah.
There it is.
Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and replace them with these right here that my wife got for us out of a junkyard. They don't match, but they're gonna be good for us to be able to use right now if he wants to drive it and when he starts driving it for right now. So that is coming. Those did come off of the truck. That the door come off. That's why they do match the color there. But like I said, guys, this is just for right now, just so that we can get the truck going, get it back on the road, and then we can go from there. All right, there's one. Ooh.
Be different color. You want me to hold it for you?
Yeah, it'll be a different color, but I think it'll work out. Just for now, anyways.
Oh yeah. You think I can get it, hold it for this side or that side, Richard?
No, I got it, bro.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah, we're good.
Okay, cool.
Yep.
Not gonna match, but it's gonna look good.
Yeah.
That's what the deal is.
Yep.
Who cares?
They don't match, but they're gonna do what they need to do for us right now. So we're gonna go ahead and start on the interior now. Clean it out a little bit more, and then we're gonna go ahead and start focusing on that cluster there. See how it's all burnt? One of his viewers sent him one that he had. Got my wife, she's actually working on shampooing the seat while we continue in the dash there to make sure that we're good there. So we'll let y'all see what it looks like when she's done. Just finished doing that back windshield. We took all the burnt tint, the smoke and everything was off of there, and look at that, guys. It's clear as day. Look at there, look at there. All right, guys, it's a little update here. We just finished putting in the cluster. Looks really good, guys. My wife has already shampooed half side of the carpet over here. That's coming out really good. Check this out, look at this. She cleaned up that chair and that bench seat, and it looks really good, guys. Some of the faded part on there is just where the heat got so hot when it was on fire. It kind of just burned it up there then, but man, it came out really good. She did a great job. Getting dark outside already, as you can tell. Been here all day today, but man, guys, we've done a lot. We have done a lot. If you look at there, you can see out that windshield, beautiful. Took the trimming off the doors here so that we can get ready to sand it, primer it, just to kind of blend it in. Wife got done with the inside. Man, compared to what it looked like, guys, that's 100 times better there. So it looks really good there. It's a glance of the back windshield there. Really nice. But guys, it's coming along. Like I said, we still got to do some work. Still got the tail lights to put on. We planned on taking it for a test drive today, but it got dark on us. We're not gonna be able to do that without without the tail lights. But guys, we still got some work to do underneath the hood. We still got to set the TV cable for the transmission to make sure that we're good on that and it's shifting correctly. But man, she is coming together, guys. Like I said, we're getting closer and closer every time we work on it. Now, this is just the second day that we have worked on this, full days, and I feel like we're getting a lot accomplished. We've been having fun doing it though. The biggest thing is having fun and doing this with a good buddy, and just enjoying the time we're taking to be able to do this. It's always a great feeling, guys. So I appreciate everything, comments that y'all are giving us. I appreciate the time, the likes, everything, just watching us, guys. Because like I said, we're not certified mechanics. We just love doing things like this. Like I told you in the past, we love putting these back on the road and just enjoying them. So I know I'm excited. I know my buddy is really excited. So we're gonna get it going, guys, and we're gonna continue giving you more videos there so y'all can follow us and see what we're doing.
That's right. Thank y'all very much, and I appreciate the help. These guys have been driving over here 2 days already, and we've done a lot. And I appreciate them offering the help. And we got a lot. You get a lot more done with 2 or 3 people than one. So I appreciate that it's come a long ways in just a couple of days.
All right, guys, I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for everything once again. We're about to hit the road. We got an hour drive still, so we're gonna hit the road and get home. But man, can't wait to shoot the next video for y'all so you can see what we do. Thank you for everything. Peace.
Thank you.